Original registration. Who may apply? Question. Who may apply for original registration in ordinary land registration proceedings? Answer. Those who, by themselves or through their predecessors in interest, have been in open, continuous, exclusive, and notorious possession and occupation of alienable and disposable lands of the public domain under a bona fide claim of ownership since June 12, 1945, or earlier. Those who have acquired ownership of private lands by prescription under the provisions of existing laws. Those who have acquired ownership of private lands or abandoned riverbeds by right or accession or accretion. Those who have acquired ownership of land in any other manner provided for by law. Registration process and requirements. Question. What are the steps involved in the process of registration in ordinary land registration proceedings? Answer. 1. Survey of the land by the Land Management Bureau or a duly licensed private surveyor. 2. Filing of application for registration by the applicant at the RTC or Regional Trial Court of the province, city, or municipality where the property is situated. 3. Setting of date for the initial hearing by the court, which shall not be earlier than 45 days nor later than 90 days from the date of the order. 4. Transmittal of application and date of initial hearing together with all documents or other evidence attached thereto by the Clerk of Court to the Land Registration Authority or LRA. 5. Publication of the notice of filling of application and date and place of hearing once in the Official Gazette and once in a newspaper of general circulation in the Philippines. 6. Service by mailing of notice upon contiguous owners, occupants, and those known to have interest in the property and posting by the sheriff of such notice in a conspicuous place on the land, and in the bulletin board of the municipal building where the land is situated. 7. Filing of answer or opposition to the application by any person whether named in the notice or not. 8. Hearing of the case by the court. 9. Promulgation of judgment by the court. 10. Issuance of decree or order by the court declaring the decision final, and instructing the LRA or Land Registration Authority to issue a decree of confirmation and registration. 11. Entry of decree in the LRA or Land Registration Authority. 12. Sending of copy of the decree to the corresponding Register of Deeds. And 13. Transcription of the decree in the registration book and issuance of the owner's duplicate original certificate of title of the applicant by the Register of Deeds upon payment of the prescribed fees. Remedies. Question. What are the remedies available to an aggrieved party in a registration proceeding after the decree of registration has been issued? Answer. The aggrieved party may avail of appeal from judgment to the Court of Appeals or CA or Supreme Court or SC in the same manner as ordinary actions. Petition for review on the ground of actual or extrinsic fraud filed not later than 1 year from and after the date of entry of such decree. Petition for relief from judgment. Action for reconveyance. Action for damages. Cancellation suits. Criminal action. Action for compensation from assurance fund. Quieting of title. Cadastral registration. Question. What is the nature of cadastral proceedings? Answer. A cadastral case is a judicial proceeding in rem which binds the whole world. A final judgment rendered therein will constitute res judicata. Note: only unregistered lands may be subject of cadastral survey. Question: discuss the procedure in cadastral registration. Answer: 1. Determination by the President that public interest requires title to unregistered lands be settled and adjudicated. 2. Notice of cadastral survey by the Director of Lands published once in the Official Gazette and posted in a conspicuous place with copies furnished to the Mayor and Barangay Captain. 3. Notice of date of survey by Bureau of Land Management and posting in Bulletin Board of the municipal building or barrio, and shall mark the boundaries of the lands by monuments set up in proper places thereon. 4. Cadastral survey. 5. Filing of petition. 6. Publication, mailing, and posting. 7. Filing of answer. 8. Hearing of the case. 9. Decision. And 10. Issuance of decree and certificate of title.